Imagine knowing exactly who steps onto your property, day or night, with intelligent alerts that actually matter. That's the power of the ANNKE 3K Lite Wired Security Camera System, a full-featured home surveillance kit designed for serious protection. This system comes with 8 3K 1920 TVL cameras, offering sharp and detailed footage that captures faces, license plates, and movement far better than standard 1080p systems. Whether it's the front door or your driveway, every angle stays crystal clear. The standout feature is the AI human and vehicle detection. No more annoying false alerts from pets, shadows, or swaying trees. The AI identifies real threats, giving you only the notifications that matter, while keeping your home fully protected. At night, the camera switched to Smart Dual Light Color Night Vision. When motion is detected, the spotlight activates and illuminates the scene, giving full color footage instead of washed-out infrared images. This alone can deter intruders instantly. Recording and storage are handled by the 8-channel H.265 DVR, which maximizes space while keeping footage smooth and detailed. And with the included 1 terabyte hard drive, you're ready to record for weeks without worrying about running out of space. The system is fully IP67 weatherproof, meaning it survives rainstorms, dust, heat, and extreme conditions. These cameras are built to last, making them ideal for outdoor installation where durability is a must. One of the biggest benefits of choosing a wired security system like this ANNKE kit is reliability. No Wi-Fi dropouts, no lag, and no interference. Every frame is recorded directly into the DVR, ensuring consistent protection. The mobile app adds another layer of convenience. You can replay recordings, zoom in on details, receive instant alerts, and monitor all 8 cameras from anywhere in the world. Remote surveillance has never been this simple. Setup is surprisingly easy thanks to the plug-and-play BNC cables. Just connect the cameras to the DVR, power everything up, and your entire home becomes a monitored zone in minutes. If you're looking for a complete, dependable, and advanced security solution, the ANNKE 3K Lite AI system checks every box. Strong build, smart detection, clear recordings, and long-term storage make it one of the best home security investments for 2025.